What's cooking in Notion to Anki version 0.6.7. I think the most noteworthy thing is there was a bug I fixed. It was this person here, Lughua, I have no idea how to say this name, this beautiful cat here, reported a bug where it was possible if you exported a nested subpage. So here's a top level page, and then inside of that page you have another page, and inside of that page you have a picture. So there was a bug where we were not able to find this last image here. So you would end up with a deck where the image was missing, right? And that bug is solved, and that's essentially the most noteworthy change. It's just fixing some path issues. So if you are experiencing a bug where your image was not visible or you had a broken image, that should be fixed now. If that's not the case, please send me an email with an example, or do like this guy did, open up a GitHub issue, share your page with me, and I'll fix it. I promise. We merged some of the changes I had on a private branch related to Notion API stuff. I've started using the Notion API in some projects. In one project, I'm using it to update the database, just to experiment with write operations. In another project, which we're going to look at, it's not ready for use yet, but you can basically upload your APKG and then it would write it into Notion. That's the idea. And that way I could experiment with reading APKG files and writing into Notion. But still, I hope that when I prototype this stuff, I'll figure out the ID. So that's it for today. Thanks for everybody who came to hang around, and I hope you guys had fun. And see you tomorrow. Bye.